large Roman numerals, tricks to learn in easiest way. Hello friends, welcome to my new channel Mathematical Solutions. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for the notifications. We know that the Romans used a different system of numbers which they developed about 2000 years ago. There are 7 basic Roman numerals. What are these? 1, we write 1 as I, 5 as 5, V and 10 as X. This is Roman notation. And 50 as L, 100 C, 500 D and 1000 we write like is M. There's no symbol for 0 in the Roman system, everybody knows. There are a few rules to read and write the numerals in Roman system. Rule number 1. When a letter is used more than once, we add its value each time to get the number. For example, here are some examples to clear it. We have to write 2, 1 plus 1, 3x means 30, 3 times C is equal to 300 and 2 times M is equal to 2000. But always remember that the same symbol is not repeated more than 3 times together. What's the rule number 2? When a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of large value, we add the two values. How? The examples will make it clear. For example, we have to write 7, then we will write 5, 1 plus 1, 11, 10 plus 1 and 57 is 55, 1 plus 1 and same. And the rule number 3, when a symbol of smaller value is written to the left of a symbol of large value, the smaller value is subtracted from the large value. How? The example will make you clear it. For example, if we have to write 4, we will write 1 before V and X before L for 40 and C before D for 400 and C before M for 900. With the help of the symbols I, V, X, L, C, we can write only numbers up to 399 and always remember that V, L and D are never subtracted. I can be subtracted from V and X only once, X can be subtracted from L and C only once, and C can be subtracted from D and M only once. Thus I and V is never written to the left of L or C. L is never written to the left of C. There are a few more examples which will make the concept of writing Roman numbers clear to everyone. We have written here 53, 179, 1668, the same 1156, how to write it and how will we write 99, 490, 70, that is 50 plus 20 is equal to 70. A few more examples with writing wrong numbers in Roman notations will make you more clear. Now how will we write the numbers? 10x, 20, 2 times x, 30, 3 times x, 40 xl, 50 L, 60 lx, 70 L, 2 times x, 80 L, 3 times x, 90 xc and 100 is C. Now 200 2 times C, 300 3 times C, 400 CD, 500 D, 600 DC, 700 DCC, 800 D 3 times C, 900 CM and 1000 is M. A few more GK questions. Do you know if you go to the moon, you will not hear any sound because there is no air or atmosphere on the moon through which sound can travel? And the second question, marine animals, especially whales, are affected by the sounds from oil wells and submarines. Thanks for watching Mathematical Solutions. Was it helpful to you? Please give your feedback. Thank you so much.